Hello guys, this is your host Lucas and you are watching a new episode of the Numberverse. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can calculate cube roots in your head. So to do the trick, you first have to memorize the cubes of each number from 1 to 10. The cube of a number is the number multiplied by itself 3 times, so the cube of 1 is still 1, the cube of 2 is 8, the cube of 3 is 27, and I'm going to keep writing the cubes of each number. So you may know some of these. Otherwise, to do this trick you'll have to memorize these 10 numbers. Now once we've written down these cubes, I want you to focus on the very last digit of the number of the cube, so what's important is that each of these 10 numbers end in a different last digit, and that will be very important to doing this trick, so this will be another thing you have to memorize. Now when you memorize these 10 digits, you should also remember the last digit. So an easy way to remember this is that for the numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 0 the last digit is the same as the numbers. And for the numbers 2 and 8, and 3 and 7, the last digit flips. So the last digit for 2 is 8, and the last digit for 3 is 7 and vice versa. So let's do the trick. What's the cube root of 39,304? The first thing I want you to do is look at the last digit. The last digit of 39,304 is 4, which we're going to put in the box. So we look up 4 in the last digit, and that corresponds to the number 4, so we write down the number 4. The next step is we ignore the last 3 digits of our number, so in 39304, we're going to just ignore the 304, and now we want to find the closest cube without going over, so 39 is between 27 and 64. So it's actually closest to 27 without going over, which means it's closest to the cube of 3, and that gives us the other part of our answer, which is 3. So here we have it, we put the numbers together, and 34 is the cube root of 39,304. Let's take another example of 636056, so we look at the last digit, which is 6, and when the last digit is 6, that corresponds to the number 6. And then we ignore the last 3 digits and we look at 636. That's between the cubes of 8 and 9, so we put 8, and therefore, the cube root is 86. So once you've memorized this table, you'll actually be able to do this very quickly. So it's a pretty neat trick. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such content. If you have any interesting brain teasers or puzzles, you can share it to us through Instagram. Thanks for your support.